Hi, on my workbench today I have a fry scuttle from Royal Catering. It's a great device for any fish and chip shop, any fast food joint, well, any place where you're serving a lot of fries and any fried goods for what it matters. It's a great addition if you have a fryer on board. So in order to show you how it works and what it does, let me just prepare some fries for you. So if you're looking for one of these, you may also want to have a look at the website, because there's a range of fryers there and foot warmers, so you definitely find the right equipment for your place. But back to the fry scuttle. So what it does and what it's for. Basically, when you're frying fries, it will help you organize your workflow a little bit better, and you speed the process up a little bit. So once you have one portion of fries ready, you just drop in there, you just turn the device on. It will keep the fries at the right temperature. The excess fat will drip down in the well here, and well, you can keep the fries for a little bit longer without losing any quality. So, two controls. There's an on and off switch, and there's a temperature regulation that you can set between 30 and 90 degrees. You're probably going to end up using around 60-70 degrees, because that's the proper temperature, that without burning the oil, without having the fumes going out. What is really nice, and it's a really cool feature, is this tray here. It has a nice slope to it, so this actually helps scooping up the fries. So you just basically drop them in there, and this helps just to scoop them out. This particular device has 350 watts of power, so quite a lot of power for such a compact package. This will keep your fries warm for a long time, but well, they won't stay that long in it, because it's for busy businesses. Alright, so my fries are ready, so let's just take them out, give it a bit of a shake, and what I would do now is just drop them in there, put some seasoning on top, and just basically shuffle them around, give them a bit of a shake, and basically they can stay like this for a longer time. Alright, so that's about it. Let me just quickly summarize. Device great for fish and chip shop and fast food joints, very efficient with 350 watts of power, simple controls, there's only two. No special installation needed, you just plug it in and off you go. It goes really well with any fryer, so have a look at the website just to check them out. The producer gives you a 3-year warranty with this device, but trust me, there's not much that can break, so it's quite solid and robust. 3 years though, and when you order it, it will come in a box just like this one, really sturdy cardboard for a safe trip to your venue. Also inside you will find this instruction manual. There's quite a bit of useful information there on how to prepare the device for its first use, how to clean and maintain it, and how to operate it. So definitely a good read. Alright, so that's about it. This device will keep your fries warm. So if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.